Are you looking for a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle? Want to track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even get personalized insights on your fitness journey? In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about Fitbit Sense. From its features to its real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? Let's dig in with what comes up in the packaging. In the box, you'll find the watch with a small band, a charging cable, and an additional large band. Charge your watch. To charge your Fitbit Sense, just bring the charging cable close to the back of the watch and it'll snap into place magnetically. Just make sure the pins are lined up. Then, plug it into a USB port or a UL-certified charger. A 12-minute charge gives you up to 24 hours of battery life. For a full charge, it'll take about 1 to 2 hours. Set up with app. First, download the Fitbit app, Apple App Store for iPhones and Google Play Store for Android phones. Install the app and open it. If you already have a Fitbit account, log in to your account. Continue to follow the on-screen instructions to connect with Fitbit Sense. Then tap on the profile circle, go to Set up a device, and select Sense. Choose Replace the device and pair it with your watch. Set location permissions and background location permissions. And tap Done. After this, you will receive a 4-digit pairing code. Enter it, and you will be paired successfully. Navigate Fitbit Sense. Fitbit Sense has a color amulet touchscreen display and one button. The home screen is the clock. Swipe down to see notifications. Swipe up to see widgets. Swipe left to see the apps on your watch. Swipe right to open quick settings. Press the button to return to the clock face. Button shortcuts. Press the button to return to the clock face, then press it again to open the app list. Hold the button for 2 seconds to activate a feature of your choice. Double press the button to open shortcuts to your voice assistant, quick settings, notifications, and contactless payment. Adjust the settings. Manage these basic settings in the Settings app. In the Display settings, you can adjust brightness, screen wake, screen timeout, and always on display. In Vibration and Audio, you can adjust the vibration, microphone, and Bluetooth access. Notifications show on red indicators. In Quiet modes, you will find Focus mode, Do Not Disturb, Sleep mode, and Alexa notifications. In Voice Assistant, you can turn the Voice Assistant on or off and adjust audio feedback. In Goal Reminder, you can set an active zone minutes goal. To turn off your watch's screen, briefly cover the watch face with your opposite hand or turn your wrist away from your body. Key features: redefine your routine. Do what's best for your body every day with a personalized daily readiness score that reveals whether you're ready to work out or should prioritize recovery. Better track and manage stress with the on-wrist EDA Scan app for Sense, which detects electrodermal activity to help you understand your body's response to stress. Get peace of mind with high and low heart rate notifications and use the on-wrist heart assessment with ECG app to screen for possible irregularities like atrial fibrillation. During outdoor runs, rides, hikes, and more, use built-in GPS to see your pace and distance without your phone on Sense. Then see a map of your workout in the Fitbit app. Use Alexa built-in or Google Assistant to get quick news and weather, set bedtime reminders and alarms, control your smart home devices, and more, just by speaking to your watch. Track your time in light, deep, and REM sleep, then get a sleep score to better understand your sleep. Stay motivated and mix up your routine with hundreds of workouts from Fitbit, plus popular brands like Daily Burn, Pop Sugar, Bar 3, and more. Get turn-by-turn directions, pay instantly, and save time with Google Maps and Google Wallet on your wrist. Be on with the thin, lightweight design. Check your daily readiness score to see if you are up for a challenging workout. Activity and wellness. Sense continuously tracks a variety of stats whenever you wear it. Data automatically syncs with the Fitbit app throughout the day. Sense personalizes your heart rate zones using your heart rate reserve, which is the difference between your maximum heart rate and your resting heart rate. Bits of Google. There is a Fitbit app that Google technically owns, and you do get stuff like Google Wallet. So you are going to make payments with Fitbit Sense using your wrist. And of course, it can integrate with Health Connect. So, how can you use it? Follow these steps. Change your default card. Force restart. To restart your watch, press and hold the button for 10 seconds until you see the Fitbit logo on the screen, and then release the button. Restarting your watch doesn't delete any data. Specifications. Troubleshooting. Heart rate signal missing. GPS signal missing. Environmental conditions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Fitbit Sense. See you in the next one.